much weight. Hello everybody, welcome back to another... Oh, I should have really got some water before doing this, because my throat hurts badly, but... Welcome back to another episode of Ratchet and Clank, Future Tools of Destruction. Crap, everything is so expensive. But in this episode, we are going to head to the next planet, which I believe is Sargasso? Or no, it's, Riken 5. We're in a new sector, the Vertigress sector. We were in the Carulian sector, but now oh, that's cool. I didn't know it showed the planets. I never really paid attention to that. Oh, it even shows the asteroid belt. That's cool. But we are heading now to Riken 5, next planet on our list. So let's go. Sorry about the late uploads of Ratchet and Clank, guys. I know it's just hard. It might be a video.
Clank, hop on that turret.
But sorry about the late videos, you know. It's hard trying to record just 2 episodes of Ratchet and Clank. Just 2, it's hard trying to do that. But hopefully you guys will understand, because luckily I'm going to be uploading, hopefully I'll be uploading 2 videos today like I thought I was going to do. Because I told myself I'm going to be uploading 2 videos today, because it is a Friday when I'm recording this, so I'm going to upload episodes 7, 8, and then this would be 9 and 10. We done? That was a fail. And whatever. It doesn't matter. We don't need bonus targets where we're going. Excuse me? You don't talk to me like that. Alright. We didn't also miss that Raritanium thing, which would be pretty good. Try not to miss it next time. Maybe one of these times you can hit every bonus target. See ya! Oh, we got some Raritanium targets. Sorry about the sniffing, you know, allergy season. I hit it, yes. Oh, that one just gives you bolts. I didn't know that. Oh, that's fine. Bolts are bolts, right? It gave me 10,000 bolts. Holy crap, but... So this is a pretty epic looking star thing, whatever it is. Are we gonna blow it up? I'm gonna blow it up, this star looking thing. Oh, we got some Raritanium targets. Let's try to hit them here. And a bonus target. How much bolts is that? Well, that was only 5,000 bolts. Oh, maybe I got bolts from killing enemies, so... I guess I did not get 10,000 bolts out of that one. I see another bonus target though. Fail. There we go. Oh gosh, this is a little difficult. Health. I think this is the boss now. Hell yeah. Captain. Sorry if my voice is a little quiet. my voice is a little raspy in the mornings, but I record at 4:30 in the morning because I want to try to like get as many uploads out for you guys because I love you guys. You guys are my favorite people in the whole world besides my mom and my dad because I won't be anywhere without them. Always love your mom and dad more than your girlfriends and boyfriends. Die. Okay. Oh, boss time. Hello, you weird looking thingy. Again, try to shoot all the blue areas. You can shoot that middle area, but it is a waste of time. What is my ship doing? It's like doing freaking aerial rolls because those aren't barrel rolls. But that's just a game theory. I'm just kidding. That's what I saw it off of. Oh crap. I could have just stayed in this lane the whole time. It's not watching any of these lanes. Oh. Oh. Oh geez. Oh. Shoot up to this little thing up here. Oh geez. Oh gosh. Difficultness is low. There we go. It's kind of hard. This reminds me of Sly Cooper and the jetpack. You guys know what that is. It's when in the final boss you have a jetpack. Oh gosh, it's gonna be these. Oh yeah, shoot that thing up there. Definitely, because that's what's... Yeah, it is the blue parts that take off the most damage. What? Why'd that hit me? Hurt me. Hit me. And he's down. Maybe turn it down for this flying part because it's a little loud. Just a 50 right?
Oh, we're picking up multiple hostiles in the spaceport. You rookies got the stones for a halo jump? I do not understand. What are stones? Do I have them? I'll tell you later. No.
Oh, Clank don't have no balls. It's a little weird. But yeah, the humor in this game is unbelievable. This is the first game that actually talks about balls, I think, in the Ratchet and Clank series, and it's rated E for everyone 10 and up. Unlike the other games rated T15, which this game should definitely be rated. Like, I'm not even joking. This game has enough humor to be rated T15. Oh, this is already up all the way. That's up all the way. Nothing to use. See Star Reaper. This gun just reminds me of death on Ardolus. Because I died a bunch of times. Oh gosh, I'm being shot at. Hold on. Aren't we supposed to be shooting like a turd or something? So, oh yeah. This game has a lot of those, dive bomb missions in it. Or a few of them, at least. But, like, these things, it kind of has these up your arsenal type battles, you know, kind of like Blackwater City, but you can't go back and replay these, sadly. That would have been too epic, apparently. Upgrade the gun. Oh, I forgot to check our new guns. Let's go check our new guns, shall we? I might get the Nano Swarmers and the Tornado Launcher. No, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna get both of them. I'll get the Nano Swarmers though, because I kind of have a thing for them. That sounds so weird. I just enjoy them a little bit more than... Oh, upgrade all of them. Alright, we should probably work on Lightning Revenger, because it's been on our work on list for a while now. Alright, we only have 26 for Airtanium. Well, we got our new Nano Swarmers. They're a lot like the Be Mine Glove. Like, literally, that's literally what they are, the Be Mine Glove. And they're not that good. But I enjoy using them. Kill them. Kill them, kill them, kill them. They are a little slow, unlike the Be Mine Glove. And the Be Mine Glove is freaking powerful. But I never used it in my Let's Plays, I don't know why. I can't really, I try to play Size Matters, but there's something wrong with there's corrupt data. And you know how PS2 memory cards are with corrupt data. It keeps them on there, and it won't let you play the game, like the actual game again. And it doesn't give you save files. Like, it says you don't have enough space for that file, even though you definitely do. That just sucks, because I actually had enough for the Rhino and I bought it. That just proves how much I play that game. Oh, this is taking too long just for this level. Just find out. Oh, it's the last little area, I think. Just a lot of enemies in there. The city is actually pretty small, I'm not gonna lie. Ooh, shotgun taking out all the crates. Use the buzz blades. Oh dang, they're powerful. Actually, throw a couple Nano Swarmers. Oh, there's a lot of these little things. Am I out of them? Wow, good job, Nano Swarmers took them all out. Oh, we should probably upgrade this gun. It's almost upgraded. Why are they launching these cop little robots? Aren't these like the cops in Metropolis? Like the police officers or whatever? Turn it down just a little bit more. Alright. Do you have the nuts to break these bolts? Or what'd they say, the stones? You have the stones to break these bolts, Jack. Don't screw up, Jack. Blah, 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 blah. Don't screw up, Ratchet, with your stones of steel. That really sounds like a talk about balls. Upgrade! Yes. Dun, 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 dun. The power is super extraordinary low on this. Oh crap, get some health. At the vendor, because vendor gives free health. See, that's what I like, the vendors in this game. I think it's also like that in crack in time, but I'm not too sure. And I believe the buzz blades are in a crack in time also. The buzz blades are in quite a few guns, or quite a few games. Actually, I think it's only in 3. But there's a gun similar to the buzz blades into Nexus. Like, it's literally the same thing, just redesigned and remodeled and renamed. I'm just gonna use the transformers on these guys. Take them out. Can you reach this guy? Nope. I'll get him. They don't really upgrade though. They don't want to upgrade. That's a bad sign in Ratchet Clank. Your weapon doesn't upgrade. Sorry, I got the buzz blades. So basically you just gotta destroy those turrets up there when they shoot at you. And they will switch off from bottom to top, left or right, whatever. But just use the buzz blades, because those take them out super fast. Like, sorry, funny. It's a little too fast, actually, for my taste, but I think it's just gonna turn on like in 10 seconds. And then destroy it.
I'll try to find the location we're looking for from the air.
Well, hey there, friend. You picked a dangerous time to be visiting Rackham 5. Old Percival has shut down the spaceport until he gets his paws on the Lombax secret. Well, I suppose you could use this here gyrocycle. Of course, a businessman such as myself couldn't part with it without some sort of monetary compensation. Now, careful with this thing. The Lombax I bought it from modified it with a Terra thruster. Oh, Lombaxes can't leave nothing the way it is, right?
Alright, so we got the gyrocycle.
Oh, back so soon? But I'm afraid I don't have any work for you, friend.
Alright.
Well, I'll...
Oh, I already asked him. Alright. Oh yeah, Lombax for Lombax.
Son, why are you Oh, some old pilot I met way out in the Vorox Nebula years ago. The Emperor had shot his ship down after attacking Fastoon, and... Hey, come to think of it, you look a bit like him. Oh, it's a small universe, ain't it?
It wasn't me, though. Gosh. Alright, see ya. Turn the volume down, and then we can complete the level. This song reminds me of something off Secret Agent Clank. I don't know what it is. What was I working on? The Lightning Ravager? Well, you can such blah. It's 151. Alright. We were actually gonna head to the armor. Oh, could have bought that. Alright, we'll buy that next year. Or next round, I guess. Next round. We'll buy that soon. But right now we are going to go this way. Or not. Please? Or just die. Oh my god, Ratchet. Come on, don't make me do a 30-minute episode. I have to do another episode after this.
To explore the lava refineries, pilot your gyrocycle to the nearest gyro launcher.
I don't want to. I want to do this first, because I got to. There's a whole of that area right there, and it's on the map too. And the gyrocycle course, of course, too. Of course. Oh my god, the stupid shimmy crap is taking too long. Alright. What do we do over here? Hey. There's a lot of bolts in this area, surprisingly enough. What are you guys doing? Looking for the Wombat secret? Noobs? There's only one reason I'm over in this area. There's no importance over here at all. Forget how you get there though. Oh. Okay. There it is. That thing just explodes in the background. That's all I wanted over here. I think that's all you can get over here anyways. There's nothing. There's probably like a gold bowl I'm missing, but you know how I am about gold bowls. Well, I'm not really anything about them. It's just, whoa. Yeah, I don't want to get stuck at a time like this. That would suck, won't it? Just having to restart the game. Yeah, any new devices that we want? Oh, we'll actually use those. We will definitely use these devices. This one, the Mystery Zircon. I head to the gyrocycle station and launch to the lava refineries.
Attention citizen, you have unlawfully entered the Ratchet 5 lava refinery. Alerting traffic detention.
Here we go. Up the little hill.
Rolling through hyperloop
Boost.
will give you an instant speed burst.
Are you kidding me? I'm boosting already. Oh, we got all the rare titanium in there. All of it. I thought I was already in it. No.
Ratchet, the coordinates point to one of the rock islands in Sector 4. There's a strange heat signature coming from there. Way too cool to be sitting in the middle of a lava pit. I can't believe it. The lava secret is real.
I wonder what those other ones are. Those other launch pad things. Probably like some failed design. I always do that. I always die right there. Let's take it slow. I don't care if I get hit. Alright, let's go. This is a little hard to control. Oh gosh. I think this is it.
This is where the coordinates lead. Looks like an old bunker. What do these symbols mean?
Can't read Lombax either, huh? Sorry. It says, in this room, a secret born, to quell the angry Cragmite storm. You've traveled far, but to be clear, without a tale, your quest ends here.
Welcome back, Lombax. I hope your long journey has been rewarding.
What? You've got to be kidding me! We come all this way and there's nothing here!
Ooh, looky here. It's one of those ancient holovid players. We used to watch old episodes of Lance and Janice on those darn things.
Congratulations, soldier. The Center for Advanced Lombax Research has selected you as the beta tester for the most important invention in Lombax history, the Dimensionator. Built by 8 of the brightest minds in Lombax history, the Dimensionator's ergonomic design is the culmination of nearly 3 Arcturian cycles of research. Now, with your help, we will finally end the Cragmite's long reign of terror. But before you begin, it is vital you observe the following safety guidelines. If you are pregnant, have a heart condition, or are allergic to interdimensional travel, please consult a physician before using the Dimensionator. Should you be inadvertently warped to the dimension of the Xanatharian death weasels, remain calm and access the pepper spray located in your beta test kit. In the unlikely event that the Dimensionator creates a time-space singularity and tears the fabric of the universe asunder, please log an A-bug and notify a programmer immediately. Following this orientation, please report to our testing facility on planet Sargasso for live training and deployment. Good luck and farewell from the Center for Advanced Lombax Research.
The weapon used to vaporize the Cragmites was a hat. Oh, come on. There's no way a Lombax would invent something that ridiculous.
Oh, really? What about your nuclear-powered rocket sled? Your antimatter bathroom buddy? And let us not forget about the electroshock undergarments you invented last fall.
Stunderwear. Huge seller on Umbris.
Guys, you're missing the key word here. Interdimensional. There's more to this than we thought. Come on, we need to check out that testing ground on Sargasso.
Great. 27-minute episode.
Coordinates acquired for planet Sargasso.
Alright everybody, that is my time. This has been another episode of Ratchet and Clank Future Tools of Destruction. Be sure to leave a like, favorite, and subscribe for more. Anywho, my name's Ethan GV, and I'm out. Peace.